how we can create files in Linux using touch command. Okay, so here and here in both sides there is files, here is files. Okay, and I will move into that particular directory, files. Okay, and now what I will do, I will create some files using touch command. Okay, so I will do touch file1.txt. Okay, so basically what this command will do, it will just like delete sorry, I'm saying delete, it will just create a file1.txt. okay, but that file will be empty for you, like there will be, you cannot write anything at that time. You will need to first open that file, then you will need to write in that it. Okay, but there are also some ways where we can perform both thing simultaneously. We can like create files and we can write something in that also, but this we will see in the next video. Okay, so first we will talk about this touch command. So when I will hit enter and I will do ls, and here you will see like file1.txt will be created. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. And now what if I want to create multiple files? Okay, then I can easily do with file2.txt, file3.txt, file4.txt, and I will just hit enter, sorry, ls, and here you can see all these and 4 files have been created. Okay, so this is the one way to create files. Okay, and now with the touch command, like we can use various options with it, like -a, -m, -r also we can use it. So I will start with the first one, that is -a option. Basically what this option does, like it will change the access time of your file. Suppose now we have created this file, let me do ls-l. Okay, so file 1 has been created at this one 12:42 a.m. okay, and this is 43 and all these things. So basically this is the modification time. Okay, if you want to look at the access time, you will need to hit ls-lu. okay, access time 42. okay, the -l option will show you the modification time, -lu option will show you the access time when the file is accessed. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will try to access this file, and now 12:44 it is. Okay, so I have accessed this file. Okay, I will write something hi. Okay, and I will just close it, and again I will do this. I will need to find the access time. So here you can see the 12:44 is now the access time of file1.txt. okay, and I have not visited file2.txt yet. Okay, so its access time, it is still showing 12:43. So now what I have to do, I will change the access time using the -a option. So how we can do it? Touch -a and then file name. So I want to change the access time for file name, which one? Let's do for file1.txt. okay, so it will change my access time from 12:44 to the my current time. So my current time is what? 12:45. okay, and now I will do ls-lu, and here you can see file1.txt. okay, now what I will do, like here we have not visited this file2.txt. okay, even when you don't open that file, we don't write anything in that particular file, still you can change the access time for it. okay, suppose there is someone in your like work environment, like you want to change the access time just for your any kind of purpose. okay, so what I'm going to do, touch -a, I will just change the file name from file1 to 2. okay, and now I will do ls-lu, and here you can see the access time for file 2 has been like changed now. okay, it's 12:46. okay, and now I will just clear it all. Now again I will check the access time. So access time is for first one 12:45, 12:46, and for let's check for modification time. That is at the modification this is showing 12:44. Okay, and 12:43, 12:43, all this. Why 12:44? Because we have write high in this file1.txt. That's why it's showing 12:44. Okay. Now what if you want to change the modification time instead of this access time? So what I will do now, I will just hit like work with the -m option. Okay, -m, and I will change for file3.txt. And now let's do just ls-l file3. You can do like this also. And now it's showing 12:47. As here it was 12:43, now it is modified to the 12:47, and here you can see the access time is 12:43. So now let's check also the access time for file3.txt, whether it is changed or not. It will not change because we have not done anything with it, so it will be as it is, like it is 12:43. Okay, so I hope you got it, how it is working, the how we can basically change the access time, modification time with the touch command. Okay, we are creating files also, and we can also manipulate the access time and the modification time using this command. Okay, so now moving forward, there is also one option -r. Okay, so basically this option, what it will do, it will just what we can say, like copy the access time of first file to the second file. Okay, so now what I will need to do, I will show you both the uh, access time. I will show you for file1.txt, and what I will do, touch -r file1 and file2.txt. Okay, and again I will do the ls-lu. So here you can see the access time for file2.txt has been changed from 12:46 to 12:45. And now let's check for the modification time for file1 and file2. So modification time for file1 and file2 is same. Okay, I hope you got it, how it is working, the access time and modification time. I hope you got the how -a -m and -r option works together. Okay, so that's all for this video, and in the next video we will basically talk about how we can write some kind of like whatever you have to write in the file while creating a file. Okay, so that's it for today, and we will meet in the next one. So thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you have any queries then you can ask us in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching.